This 2025 Jayco J-Flight SLX 170BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 21 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco J-Flight SLX 170BH is 3,050 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.